everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video I will be reviewing one of my favorite cosmetic or lipstick company, and today I will be reviewing products from Beau Cosmetique, and I will leave a link in the description below. Also, I have a 10% coupon code for you viewers if you do purchase from Beau Cosmetique, and it's LBC10. They are all capital letters, LBC10. 10% off your overall purchase. So today I will be swatching and showing matte lipsticks from Beau Cosmetique, and I believe they have about 7 or 8 shades on their website, and these are all that I have on me and I will be reviewing it. So these are 3 different shades of purple / pink, and the only one I don't have with me is their nude, which is called Lexi. I don't have Lexi. And this is how it comes. I also wanted to show you their loose powder. Their loose powder comes in 2 different shades. They have pearl and they do have tan. Pearl is basically a translucent loose powder, HD translucent loose powder, and it has a bit of little particles of glitter inside, and those glitters serves as highlights. So if you are onto highlighting on the face, that would do for you. So this is how the loose powder comes in, and this is in the shade tan, and that is my complexion, and this is what I used to bake every blessed day, and you will be snatched to the gods. The tan one blends in more with my skin complexion because I'm the type that I do not like to have underneath my eyes looking so pale like a ghost. So I prefer something that is just slightly lighter than my normal skin complexion, and I found out that tan is the best translucent powder for me. So what I will be doing, guys, is to show you the swatches and also show you how it looks on my skin complexion. So stay tuned for the video, and do not forget to check my description box down below for 10% off your overall purchase using the code LBC10.